Okay, PowerPoint Chapter 4, case problem number 1. Okay, first let's copy this 4-5 into your working folder. And then rename it as Realty. And then add your name as the subtitle. So click the subtitle, type your name. And number 6, okay, we're gonna add the background style. Okay, so click the design, design tab, and in the variants group, in this variant, you can change the background style. So the background style is in the design tab. In the variant, we will select the number 6, style 6. Okay. Okay, now slide 1. Okay, now change the background color, background with a picture, waves picture. So click the format background. Make sure the first slide is selected. So format background. We want to insert the picture. So click the picture, insert, navigate to your student data files folder, and then select wave. Okay. Waves, and then insert. All right. Okay, on number 4, on slide 2, so click slide 2, change each address. All right, so close this pane. So select the first item, right click on this, hyperlink, then select the second button, and then this should be linked to number 18, which is slide 3. Slide 3, and then OK. Select the second item, right click, hyperlink, 27 is slide 4. Okay, do the same thing for the rest. Hyperlink, number 40 is slide 5. And then select the next one, hyperlink, slide 6, select the last one, hyperlink, and slide 7. Okay. And change the color. So select all of this, home tab, font color. Okay, the color is ice blue, background to darker 75. So select this color. Okay. Number 5, slide 3. Click slide 3. Insert a rectangle round. So click the insert tab, shape. Rectangle round is the second one in the rectangle section. So click this, and then let's drag it something like this. Okay, change the resize it. So the height is 0.7, tab key, width is 2.5, enter. And then make sure you click this one, click this rectangle, and then type, click here to find out how to contact us. Okay, and then apply the gradient fill. So click the shape style arrow. Oh, sorry, not this one. Shape style arrow. And then from here, we will select gradient fill brown accent 6. Is it this? This one? Okay. Gradient fill brown accent 6, no outline. So select the last one in the last column, last row. Okay. Now position the shape so that it is centered. This one is centered below the picture. So there is the edge So top edge aligns with the bottom edge of the picture of the cottage. And then move it to the left. So make it similarly like this. Okay, number 6. On slide 3, format the shape you drew as a link to slide 8. So make sure click the boundary of this box, rectangle, and then right click. Not this one, right click, and then hyperlink. So this will link to slide 8. We'll link it to slide 8, right? And then click OK. Okay, copy this shape link and paste it on slide 4, 5, 6, 7. So copy this one. So click this and then copy it. Click the boundary so that you select this whole object. Ctrl C. And then click slide 4, Ctrl V, slide 5, Ctrl V, slide 6, Ctrl V, click slide 7, Ctrl V. Okay. Number 7, on slide 3, so click slide 3. Okay, display the display guide. So make sure the view tab, click the view tab and make sure the guide is now checked so that we can see the guide. So move the vertical guide to the right, so the number will become 2.5, 2.58. So move it until it becomes 2.58. Okay. Sorry, 2.58 is the middle, right? Middle. So click the horizontal guide and then move it up until it becomes 2.58. 2.58. All right. And then the vertical guide is 1.75. So click this and move it to the, make sure it is on 1.75. Right. And number 8, on slide 3, insert a rectangle shape. So click Insert tab, Shapes arrow, rectangle is this one. And then draw it something like this. And change the size. So height is 0.7, tab key, and the width is 2.4, enter. Okay, fill the shape with light blue color. So click the shape fill. The color is a light blue color. Is it light blue? No, this is light blue. So that color is in this standard colors, So light blue is this one. So select this light blue. Then remove the background. Remove the outline. So click the outline, shape outlines, no outlines. Okay, and then type slips 10 exclamation. And then position this one so that this will be in the middle of this vertical line and the horizontal line, like this. Is it in the middle? Right? Okay. Now apply wipe entrance animation. So click animation. Wipe is this one. And then start from left. So effect option is from left. Okay. Number 9, on slide 3. Okay, insert a double wave shape in the start. Okay, so I'm gonna insert a shape. So click the insert tab, shapes. So in the start and banner, here is double wave. So click this double wave and then drag it like this. Alright, and then resize the shape so that it will be 0.3 inches high. So click height is 0.3, tab key, and the width is 2.5 inches. So we have we have this one, and then we're gonna duplicate shape. So Ctrl C. So make sure Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Oh, not this one. So make sure you select this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and then bring it to the right. So the right edge and the left edge matches together. Okay. So position the copy of the shape to the right of the original shape so that the two shapes are aligned horizontally and the ends are touching. Group these two wave shapes. So hold down the Ctrl key and then click the other object. So two objects are selected and we want to make a group. So in the Format tab, click the group arrow, select group. So these two became one group. Okay, position the grouped shape above the slips 10. So move it something like this and make it in the center. And then it does not touch the slide border on top. Okay. So it's centered horizontally above this one. Number 11. Apply the line motion path. So that is in the animations. Okay, did we skip something? Okay, no. So apply. So make sure you click this group and then add animations. We're going to apply motion path. Okay, line motion path. All right, and then move the start position. Okay, change the direction effect to the right. So effect options is right. Okay, move the start position of the motion path in the straight line so it's approximately aligned with the left edge of slips 10. So click this center, the green rectangle, and then move it to the left. All right, and the end position. Move the end position so it is approximately aligned to the right edge. So click this red icon and then bring it, align it on the right edge of this right edge. Okay, this one is over here. Okay, so it looks like this. Should I move it a little bit to the right? Centered. Okay. Something like this. Right, and then number 12. Okay, duplicate the group shape. So make sure you select this group. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Position the copy of the group shape so that is below this. So click this and then move it below this one. Okay, but do not touch the top of this picture. And this one should be a little bit up. So it should be in the center. Okay. Okay, number 13. change the start setting of the animation, apply to this 10. Shape to the after previous, so make sure this one is after previous. So select slip 10 and then make it after previous. And then change the start setting of both animations to wipe with previous. Okay, select this one, select these two, 1 and 2, then make it with previous. So this will play together with this. Okay, so now select all these three. So group, the first group and the slip 10. So these three now selected. Then we will copy. So Ctrl C. Then click slide 5, Ctrl V. Now we're supposed to have this one also. So Ctrl Z. Let me do this one again. So click this, hold down the Ctrl key, slip 10, hold down this second group, and then Ctrl C. So all these three now selected. Click slide 5, Ctrl V. So we have everything is duplicated here. Get number, and then click this 10, then change it to 14. Okay, change it to 14. Okay, now select both groups. So now click the background, any place in the background, and make sure click these two. Okay, these two. And then we will change the color of this background. Okay, so change the background color. So click the Format tab, and then Shape Fill. Okay, that will be the same as this background. This background is this one, eyes. You see it? The name is Ice Blue Background 2. So Ice Blue Background 2, this one. Right? And then remove the outline, so no outline. So we have nothing. So actually there are two objects, but since the object has the same color as the background, it does not show, it's not shown in here. Okay. Okay, now preview the animation. So click this animation to start. Can you see this? It looks like this. Okay, so we need to update this group for slide 3. So click slide 3, do the same thing, click these two, and then change the color. So Format tab, Shape Fill will be this one, Ice Blue Background 2, and then remove the outline. Try the animation. Okay. Can I hide the guides? So click the View tab and then uncheck these guides. And on slide 8, click slide 8. Okay, edit the link to the website. So for this one, right click on this website and then edit link. And okay, actually the address is this one, but the text for display is different. So the text display will be click to visit us online. So this text will be displayed, but once you click this, then it will link to this web address. Okay, and then change the color of this link. So select this link, and the Home tab, color will be Ice Blue Background 2. I'm sorry, not this one. Ice Blue Background 2, darker 75%. So it should be this color. Okay. And number 20, rehearse the timings. So click the slideshow. We have a rehearse timing. So slide 1 and 2 will be displayed for 5 seconds. And slide through to 7 displays 4 seconds. The last one is 10 seconds. Okay. So click this. And then after 5 seconds, we will click next. Okay, for the second slide, also click next. And for this one, after 4 seconds, click next. Do the same thing after 4 seconds, click next. Another one. Okay, click next. And we can change this timings later on. And then this one also next. After 4 seconds, click next. This one should be what? 10 seconds, right? That's okay. We can change it. So for the slide 8, okay, click the transition tab and you can change the after box into 10. Enter, right? Okay, let's check each slide. Time for each slide. This one is 5 point something. So you can actually change the timing from here. Enter. Even this one, make it 5 seconds. Enter. Make this one 4 seconds. Enter. You can change this one from here as well. So it's not a big deal, right? Okay. Or you can just leave it. Doesn't matter. It's only a matter of a few seconds. All right, and then number 21. Okay, we want to record our voice. So click the slide 1. Okay, and then click we want to record. So recordings, tap audio arrow, and then record sound. And then we will record our voice for this sentence. So as you click this record button, start reading this sentence. Shoreside Realty is the answer to your vacation needs. Click OK. All right, and then once you, okay, let's play our voice. Click the play button. Shoreside Realty is the answer to your vacation needs. All right, and then click the playback tab. So while this one is played, we want to hide this button. So check on this hide during show. Okay, now use the transition tab to change the timing of slide 2. Okay, slide 2, click slide 2, transition, and this one should be 10 seconds. Okay, number 23, set up the slideshow to be browsed at a kiosk. So kiosk is this one. Click the slide tab, slideshow, set up slideshow, and then select the third one, kiosk, and then click OK. Okay, now run the document inspector. So that is in slide 2 has a note, right? This one, slide 2 has a note, right? So click the file tab. So if there is a note, then we want to remove all the notes. So click info tab, info menu, and then check for issues arrow. Select inspect document, and then no. Okay. Before you try this, always save it. Always save first. The file tab, info, check for issues, inspect document. So we want to check, inspect all of these items, and then click inspect button. All right, so we'll just run this and then remove the notes. So scroll down, and then we want to remove all these notes. So click remove all, and then close. and then save changes again. Save it. Okay, now save this one in a video file. So how do you save this in a video? So File tab, Info, Export, and then here is the Create a Video. So click Create a Video, set this one to Standard, and then this part is use recorded timings and narrations, and then create video. Okay, the file name is video, so realty video, and then save. Alright, and then save the presentation file as a picture presentation. So File tab, Save as, Browse. Okay, Save as type will be picture presentation. So that is in the third one from the bottom, PowerPoint picture presentation. And the file name is realty pic. Okay, save it. And then let's save this PowerPoint in PDF format. So File tab, that is in the export. So the first one is the Create PDF, right? So click this Create PDF button. Then we want to minimize. Okay, minimize, and then click the Options button. And then do not include the property. So document properties should be unchecked. And then publish what should be the handouts. And then we want to print 9 slides per page. And each slide should have a frame. Okay, handout with 9 slides per page. So click OK and then publish. Alright, so we have PDF file in one page that contains all the slides. Alright, and then the pic. This is the picture PowerPoint. Right, this is a picture PowerPoint. And then finally, okay, let's close this one. And then this is the video. Okay. So we are done for this case exercise.